So here's the car that we bought in Stamford, Connecticut, a Honda Element. And we were concerned because I started driving it and the wheels were kind of locking up because of the brakes. This back caliper looked like it was really locking up. So anyway, you know, being out of town, you don't know what kind of what mechanic you can go to. But we ended up at this Shell station, and I saw that it says brake service on there. And Gonzalez, the owner, was so kind to deal with us. And I tell you what, it was kind of luck of the draw that we ran into Gonzalez at this Shell station, because oh man, he treated me so fairly and was excellent. So we have to give shout outs to Gonzalez here at the Shell station. I don't know what road we're on, but we're across from the Armand, I don't know, hotel or something like that. So anyway, this is Gonzalez, the owner. So Gonzalez, thank you for treating us so fairly.
My pleasure.
Being out of towners and etc.
Yeah.
We really appreciate it.
You're welcome, anytime. So, I'm the manager. I wish I would be the owner, but maybe...
You're not the owner, you're the manager.
No,
okay, gotcha. Well, thank you, man. I appreciate it.
Okay.
It was a pleasure doing business, especially for us out of towners. You know, we don't know who we're going to hit.
You know, when you get stuck, you're stuck, and you have to do the right thing.
That's right. So,
very good. No,
thank you.
Thank you. Pleasure.
Okay, now a tour of the Element, the Honda Element. This has got about 186,000 miles on it. I want to show you how the doors open up. A couple things I know I need to get on this, but look at this, isn't this cool? A lot of space. A lot of space in here. Here's the back seat. They are actually kind of cool. You can remove the back seat or you can fold them up. And they go up like that, up on the side. It's really cool. So look at this passway. Look at this. No middle pillar in there. A lot of open space in this. It's pretty cool. I tell you what. My son, this was my son's. We got it from him. And he had no more need of it. So we were able to pick it up from him. This is hatchback. Couple things I got to get is I got to get a new set of pistons there, and then all you need to do is open this up like that. Look at that space. There's space in there. It's pretty neat. Apparently you can fit a full-size bed in there. A lot of people use these as camping conversion campers. So one of the things to do, if I get a new piston, a new set of pistons, this will go up about another 3 inches from what I understand. So that'll be cool. What I just did is, if you see those drips on there, that I just got it back from getting it undercoated with Crown. So kind of cool. Anyway, kind of the concept is be able to take this around as I get more space. This was actually a gas filler, a gas saver, versus the 1500, Ram 1500. I only get about 10 to 11 gallons, 10 to 11 miles per gallon with that truck, and this I get about 22 miles a gallon. So basically doubled the gas mileage on that. This still isn't, I mean, that good compared to recent cars. But I tell you what, for the price that I picked this up for, certainly worth it. So thanks, Charlie. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate the opportunity you gave it. We're going to take good care of her. As you see, we just had the undercoating done. And cool, so let's take a look at the engine. I don't know, it doesn't mean that much to me when I take a look at an engine, but for some of you it might. Go down here, pop this open. Come around. One of the things I noticed at the stoplight is that look how clean that looks now. Wow. With it being sprayed, oh, Anyway, nice 5W20, good VTech 2.4 direct overhead cam. So this was kind of smoking a little bit at the light, so I guess that came off the engine here. So because that spray goes everywhere, you just can't help that. So anyway, it's a four in line. So one of the things I'd love to do, if I can do it, would be to tow my teardrop trailer, but I gotta lower the front end of that teardrop, lower the tongue weight of it. So I guess we gotta wipe down some of this from the undercoating. So look at that, pretty cool, huh? Major League Baseball 7552. So I guess those drips are going to occur. Apparently it drips for about 2 days, and we'll watch it. But fortunately, you see my parking area is au natural. But we'll wipe that down, get that down. So anyway, it's fun to drive. It's a 5-speed manual transmission, and it's a 4-wheel drive. So it's an all-wheel drive, what they call an all-wheel drive. So Honda makes them good. Like I said, it's got 186,000 miles on it. It's estimated this is only at its half-life. So I look forward to getting to 200,000, and it would be good to get to 300,000 miles on this. As long as I can keep updated with the oil changes and all. That's it. One of the things it has on the seat is apparently these are well known for rips in that, but the other seat is fine. I'm just getting a new seat cover for this, so that's not going to look that bad after the seat cover is installed. Kind of cool. It's got some little cubby holes here, which I got my chewing gum stuck in, my name tag for B&I, some other cubby holes, some pocket in the door pockets. I got some things in there. So the only thing I doesn't have that this car isn't working is the air conditioner. So we'll have to get the air conditioner working. Apparently these are also known for strut issues at 186,000 miles. Kind of expected that. Some CV joints that we had to replace, and we got some back struts that we're getting replaced, a new axle. Apparently that's pretty typical after certainly if that high mileage, so it wasn't unexpected to get to be able to have that done. But you know, for what I paid for it, it's a nice little car. Be a nice little car to go around town, travel back and forth. The challenge that we've had is, again, with the mileage, the gas cost for the truck. Oh, I love the truck, my 1500 Dodge 1500 and Danny. So we love that 1500. It does a good job. We got nice lettering on it. However, it runs around 10 miles to a gallon, and that is eating me alive. So we'll figure that we'll do some replacing and some errands. And this is our errand truck. Most of our errands, we run up to York. It's close to 20 miles away, up highway. So that'll certainly save a lot of time. Excuse me, a lot of gas mileage on it. So, take a look at these back windows. One of the nice thing about this is it's automatic windows, goes up and down. The back windows are like that. They go like that. And then I have a moonroof that's in the back. Apparently when people are camping, they can take that out and put a tent topper on this. I forget what it's called. E-camper, I think is what it's called. And they go up through that. So, and when people are sleeping in their camper, they put their head down this end, and they're able to look up and see the stars. or the moon. Thus it's called the moonroof. So, but anyway, nice little vehicle. Our Element, and I think we're going to call her Millie for Mildred. Millie, the slow toaster. So, because I don't necessarily go above the speed limit in my driving habits. So, Millie, the slow toaster. So, anyway.